Hi, this is all for shooters from the IWA 2023. We are at the CZ booth. Next to me is Karel, and behind we have a whole new caliber for the CZ Scorpion carbine. Maybe you could explain the new gun to us.
Okay, so what we have here is CZ Evo 3. Everybody knows it. It's been around for quite some time, but this time it's in caliber 22 LR. So rim-fired caliber. But overall, if you look at that, nothing really changed from the outside. We still have a polymer body, retractable stock and foldable stock. Same controls, ambidextrous controls as we are used to from the CZ Evo 3. Same grip, trigger, mag release. So overall, what changed on this firearm is basically the magazine. The magazine is whole new to hold 10 rounds of 22. And other than that, we have a aluminum bolt here and much lighter recoil spring, of course, because for 22 it's still simple blowback system, so you don't need that much pressure. And of course, 22 barrel. It's same size, it's also 8 inches, and there is also the same thread at the very end, so you can use any accessories you have on your normal Scorpion. So if you want to be testing or just plinking or fun firing with your Scorpion, you can do that with cheaper ammo, 22.
Yes, and there are different models available?
Of course. As with the normal Scorpion, it comes in this like small size package, but we also made the 16-inch variant with the longer barrel. And that's mainly because of the restrictions in some countries where you cannot really have that short carbine or that short pistol or rifle.
Okay, and this version?
This version is the standard one. This is just the 9mm.
Oh, this is a 9mm.
Yeah, this is the 9mm. It's been around for quite some time. It's the same as the long carbine, just with the fake suppressor over the barrel. It just looks cool.
Yeah. But we can see, like, if we see it beside, that it's essentially the same.
Exactly.
Cover.
You can tell that it's different just because it's a different bolt.
Yes.
You can see a slightly different design, different magazine, different barrel.
Okay. And the 22 version, is it like available in the market?
It's brand new.
Now?
We just introduced it here at IWA. Actually, I haven't had much chance to play with it because it's so new. So yeah, it will be available really soon.
Okay, available very soon. If people want to be updated and get more information about this, they can find it on your homepage?
Definitely can find it on our webpage. The ideal would be to follow our social media, for example, or you can actually get the newsletter. Of course, if you apply for the newsletter, you get each month you get a whole news from what's new in CZ.
Okay, so guys, check it out. Thank you very much.
Pleasure. I enjoyed it.
And see you next time.